Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to upload video on Instagram but not Reel. So let's get right into it. Make sure you have just updated your Instagram application to the latest version and then head over to your Instagram application and make sure you have logged in into your desired account because you just want to upload a video, right? So then head over to the plus icon. Once you do it, just click on your desired video. Suppose I'm clicking on this one and then click on next. Once you click on next, you'll see this sort of interface. Here you can just edit your video. You can cut it, add captions, download it and add a voice and whatnot. And then click on next and just click on share. And as you can see, it is currently getting shared in here. Just wait for it until it gets shared. And here you can see you have uploaded a video that is not real. And there it goes. Hope this video will help you out and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.